Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video, I will show you how to set a static IP address on VMware ESXi host. Okay, so I'll show you step by step how you can do that, how you can set a static IP address on your ESX server. Okay, let me jump on my server. I have deployed VMware ESX 6.7.0 on one of my VMware workstation. So here you can see it's saying like to manage, go to HTTP 169.254.7.160. Okay, so this is my ESX host server. Okay, and you can see here the IP range is saying here that is DHCP. DHCP IP address, right? That is provided a PIPA IP address. Okay, so if in same way, if you have a different IP address and if you want to change it to static IP address, I will show you how you can do that. Okay, so what you need to do here is you need to log in to VMware ESX physically, or if you are trying to change ESX or set ESX IP address remotely, maybe you need to use ILO or ID rack. Okay, you need to go to this page. Okay, and then you need to press F2. You can see here it's saying F2 customize system view log. So what you need to do is just you need to press here F2. Okay, once you will press F2, you will see here login, root and password. Just press enter and then enter here password. Okay, and then you will be able to log in to your ESX server. Now you need to go to the configure management network. Okay, once you'll go here, just press enter button. Okay, then again go to IPv4 configuration just by pressing up arrow key or down arrow key on your keyboard. Press enter button and you can see here it is set to use dynamic IP address and network configuration, and IP address is this 169.254 7.168. So now here what we are going to do is we'll set this static IP address. Okay, so you need to just use your up or down arrow key, select static IPv4 address. Okay, press space button. Okay, to select, you can see here. Now again use down arrow key and then enter here your static IP. In my case, I am going to enter here my other servers range IP like 10.10.10.25. Okay, scroll down. If you want to change subnet mask as per your network address, you can change it. Okay, I'm going to use the same default gateway 10.10.1 and press enter. Okay, you can see here it is showing now the IP address 10.10.25 and subnet mask default gateway. Now go to DNS configuration, enter and enter here primary DNS address. In my case, my domain controller or DNS address IP is 10.10.11. Okay, so I'm going to use this. Now once you will enter the DNS primary DNS, if you have any secondary or alternate DNS, you can enter here also. If you want to change host name also, you can change it. Okay, or you can keep as it is. Now I'm going to press enter. In same way you need to press enter. So now we have set the static IP address. We configured primary DNS server address also. Now let's press escape button. Okay, once you will press escape button, it will ask like apply, change and restart manage network. Then you need to say yes. So need to press Y button. Once you'll press Y, okay, it will be changed. Okay, now what you can do is you can press again escape button. and then you will come to here on this page. You can see here now IP is showing 10.10.25. Okay, so that is a static IP now. Now let's do one thing. Let's try to check it if it is working or not, right? Let's go to the browser and type here, one second, 10.10.10.10.25, same IP address which we assign to the ESX host. Okay, let's try to access. One second, 10.10.25. You can see it's accessible now. Okay, from here you can also log in by using root or any user account which you have configured. Okay, so in this way, guys, you can see I have logged in successfully. In this way, you can set static IP address for your ESXi host. I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you to please subscribe my channel just to support me, just to motivate me. And don't forget to click on bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.